Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. This is Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to your home for options trading education, OptionPit.com. Again, mentoring services. Check it out if you are interested. We have a live chat room every day that Mark and I moderate 2 or 3 times per day. Included in all our goodies, basically, if you're gold or above, you get everything that's in our store. So if you just want to learn about options, it's a great value on trying to basically pick you get a bunch of our courses for a great price plus about 4 months of Option Pit Live with education. Okay. Just somebody giving me an... Anyway, so let's get to the markets. Well, you know what? This is everything that's old is new again. Okay? Warren Buffett, I mean, that's market moving news. Sorry. I don't know what I think he's going back to his sort of value play roots, and apparently it's cheap enough for him to buy. Right? He also, I believe, he's with a stake for YHOO as well. He owns IBM, so I guess he's just waiting for the multiples to get into the low single digits with tons of cash on hand, and then he'll start buying the companies. So it's hard to fade the best investor in the world. But anyway, interesting that he's looking at these assets, or whatever his team is looking at these assets, but obviously he approves all this stuff. Yeah, kind of. It's a big stake. It's $1 billion, but it's actually not that big for him, isn't it? It's probably less than, what, 1% of the assets or 0.5% of the assets of Berkshire Hathaway. All right. I don't even know. What did, let's see, BRK, right? What's their earning? Let's see, fundamentals. Oh, they're not giving me any data. All right. So, anyway, I'm going to guess it's not much more than a decimal point for Berkshire Hathaway, but it's more bullish than not, at least on where the current valuation of the stock is. Market overall, we have, let's just take a look real fast. I think really this is the bigger story. Goldman Sachs coming out saying oil is, could possibly have supply issues. I guess having 80% of the rigs shut down in the U.S. or whatever the number was, or the growth in rigs, our market here adjusted really quickly. So be that as it may, we're looking at levels for, I can pull CL2 up, but I don't think we've seen this level in, right, what, $47 and change? So the gentle rally is still happening. We've had positions like ratio put spreads where you're selling 2, buying 1. We've looked at those in our strategy letter for a while. They've been pretty decent trades in oil for the last 2-3 months. It looks like nothing's going to change on that score. Volatility is actually starting to get back to what I would say. Let's see. I don't think we're ever going to see the vol that we saw here for a while, right? Right. Implied volatility 13%. Who knew, right? But you're getting back to sort of what we'll just say is right around, that was more like the $60, $65 a barrel level. So who knows? We might see some upside volatility in the oil sector again. So we could look at trades in here, maybe some call time spreads, upside trades with, depending on how much they're paying for upside. Usually, though, the first rally is not super exciting, but maybe we could find some financing plays for that today. Overall, just look how VIX opened this morning. Real simple. we were up about 70 cents on the open. That's mostly weekend effect. And if I pull this down now, I want a right. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of VIX cash rally, right? I would be surprised if VIX holds up again, especially if the market's doing this, and they erase the total weekend markup. So I think we're going to start looking for VIX plays now with cash here, starting to look if it settles into the week, because it's not a very exciting news week here. And again, that would not surprise me. So we could see lower levels for all that stuff. All right. So with that, looks like old tech is new again, and volatility looks like it's going to drift a little bit lower, would be my guess, through the week. And with that, everybody, I will see you all in our chat room later.